Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang firewall. Na nakaraan, napag-uusapan natin ang router. Pero bago ang lahat, ipapakita ko muna sa yung router kasi hindi ko siya napakita yan nung last na video. So ito lang yun, nasa tabi ko lang. Ito ang ating router. Ito yung likuran at ito naman yung harapan. Maliit lang siya, no? So, edge device ito. Meron siyang on and off. Yung switch wala. Power here. And we have a fewer ports. We have 2 Ethernet ports, auxiliary port, and console port. And wide area network, this is a weak card, T1 connection, DSU, CSU. And we have over here, this is a flash memory. Okay? So, that's it. Hindi na natin patatigalin yan kasi ipapakita ko sa iyo ang itsura naman ng firewall. This is a firewall. Ang tawag dito ay Cisco ASA Firewall. Adaptive Security Appliance. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng ASA. So, ito yung in-explain ko sa inyo ngayon. Yung firewall, ito yung likuran. So, yan. Nakita mo na yung itsura ng ating Cisco ASA Firewall. At mamaya, ipapaliwanag ko sa iyo yung basic functionality lang naman. Alright? So, ngayon, by definition, firewall, dilagdag itong IPS. Alam naman natin ang firewall ay nag-ooperate siya sa layer 3 and layer 4. Kaya, itong router na to, na nilagay ko dito, alam din natin na ang router, in the last video, na pag-usapan natin, act as a firewall. Kaya, nilagay ko lang siya dyan para maintindihan mo yung router, pwede rin firewall. Actually, it's a firewall. So, mamaya, explain ko sa iyo. Firewall, IPS, mamaya papag-usapan natin ito later lang. Allow trusted network to access untrusted network. Ito, let's say this is A and B. Yun na, sulat ko na pala. So, itong part na to ay trusted network. At itong part naman dito sa kabila na B network, nakakalimutan, B network is untrusted network. Yung papunta doon sa ating cloud or internet or ISP. For example, meron ka dyang internet sa bahay mo. May connection ka. Let's say, fiber optic. Yung fiber optic na yan, mayroon yung router, di ba? Nakakunik ka ngayon doon sa labas, palabas. At papasok naman sa loob. So, ang ibig sabihin, yan ang tinatawag na edge device. Yung router mo can act as a firewall. So, ngayon, ang tawag papunta palabas, untrusted network. Ang papunta papasok o papasok ay tinatawag na trusted network. Now, IPS in NGFW. IPS meaning Intrusion Prevention System. Ang ibig sabihin niya, IPS identify malicious traffic inside and out of our network. And what is this? This is a next generation firewall. Ang ibig kong sabihin, yung mga luma nating firewall, like for example, this combining the traditional firewall with other network device functions or functionality like deep packet inspection or DPI and also IPS, etc. Now, kaya natin siya tinawag na NGFW kasi third generation na ito eh. Third generation na siya. Yung router mo na luma, kung yan ay mapapagana niya yung IPS, one of the function, network function ng ating firewall, traditional firewall, then masasabi natin siyang third generation siya. Kung meron siyang ganong klaseng functionality. Okay? Edge device. It is an edge device. Napag-usapan na natin ito at hindi ko na siya uulitin. Ang edge device, katulad ng firewall, ng router, ng switch. Yung switch na sinasabi ko, actually, it's not an edge device, but yung routing, yung L3 na switch. Do you understand? Pero it's not a good idea or it's not good idea para i-place natin yung L3 switch as an edge device. Okay? So, sinasabi ko lang siya yan. So, firewall, ang definition ng ating firewall, monitors and controls incoming and outgoing traffic based on security rules. Yung based on security rules na nabanggit ko sa iyo, sa madaling salita, let's say sa bahay mo, in-house, meron kang sariling certain rules na tinatawag. And yung mga anak natin, yung mga taong bahay, kailangan nilang sumunod doon sa mga yung tinatawag nating rules. Ngayon, kung hindi nila susunod yun, mamimit yung mga rules na yun, magdi-deny sila. Magkakaroon silang problema. Ang mga anak natin, mag-grounded sila sa kanilang mobile. Pag sinabing tigil na yan, and then you did not follow the rules, sorry ka, grounded ka. So, yun lang yun. Kumbaga, parang batas, rules. Di ba? So, kung walang ganon, walang katahimikan. Magulo. So, yung firewall, siya yung parang nag-i-implement ng discipline. Okay? So, ano lang yun? Basic analogy. But I'm telling you, if it's against the rule and doesn't match the rules, hindi yun i-accept. Ida-drop yun. Oops, napag-uusapan na natin yan. Nandito na tayo. Okay? Ano bang ibig kong sabihin dito? Accept, meaning allow the traffic through. Kung ang traffic ay papunta rito, okay, from network A to network B, which is our public network, ina-allow natin yan kasi trusted yan okay? We can browse like www.google.com, facebook.com, so we can pass through or traverse to this particular router to the other side and then get that particular website like google.com website, other website. I don't know what you're typing, but literally when you type something, nare-remember yan ng router natin. Na how the router remembers everything pabalik sa kanya. Okay? So now, accept. So it accept, but the router can reject that also by blocking. Reject is to block the traffic. Block that traffic. Not allowing. But the router replying like unreachable. So that's why we receive unreachable. So the router or the gateway replies back unreachable or error. So yun yung tinatawag natin yung router, ni-reject niya. Do you understand? Yung accept, padali lang. Yung accept, tinanggap, papunta ron. Pero ano, pabalik. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, a while ago. Mamaya, pag i-touch natin yung kung ano yung sinasabi ko. But nandito ngayon tayo sa rejection. Yung ni-reject niya, so kung ang tanong, naka-receive ako ng unreachable or error from the router, from the gateway. Anong nangyari? Ang sagot doon, ni-reject ng router, hindi din drop. Kasi yung drop is to block that traffic also. But ang difference ng dalawa,